time. I'll see y'all downstream. All right, folks, right here we've come upon a stuck raft. What is this? Look at that. There's Marilyn. What's she doing up here? Good to see you guys are working so hard back there. Pull your weight. I feel like I should be helping, but I'm not going to. Whoa, almost fell in the water there. What do you guys think about this stuck raft? Give me some commentary here. Man, that looks heavy. Gosh, that looks heavy. Whoa! Whoa! We're almost there. Look at this big old crowd. Everyone wave at the camera. Woo! Yeah, there it is. There we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get a raft unstuck.
All the way to the front. All the way up there. All the way to the front.
Oh no! Oh, look at that! Oh, she's in the water and she's gone. Oh my goodness, folks. They can't even stay in the boat. There she is. Oh, woo! There she is. All right. All right, guys. This time we're really done. I'll see y'all downstream. There they go. They're waving at me. We'll see y'all downstream at the bridge. We're going to watch this. Crazy, folks. Absolutely crazy. Jump off the bridge. I'll see you downstream.